Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing amazing. So in today's video, I am going to be creating this super cute soft glam makeup look using all the makeup products by Sugar which are under 500 rupees. If you're wondering why I have mehendi on my hand, I recently attended my cousin's wedding, and wait till you see the outfit recreation video that's coming up very soon. Stay tuned for that. But anyway, getting back to today's video, I really love all of these products and I cannot wait for you to see the mini tutorial that I have in this video, and also mini reviews as well for each of the products that I'm going to be mentioning today. So stay tuned to see how I got this look and which Sugar products have I used today. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already, and keep watching. Alright, so my base is done. I only have foundation on as of now. My concealer, I will do it after I'm done with my eyeshadow. But for now, let's go ahead with the blush and highlighter. And for that, I'm going to be using the Contour de Force mini blush in this shade 02 Pink Pinnacle. Look how pretty. I think this is a perfect shade for people with medium to deep skin tone. I'm just going to quickly swatch that at the back of my hand if there's space. This is the shade. And to apply my blush, I'm going to be using the Blend Trend Face Brush, the blush variant. And I'm just going to quickly dab it on to the brush, dust off the excess. I'm going to start applying it from the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to blend it upwards. Such a pretty shade, and you need very tiny amounts of it. As you saw, it's super pigmented, so I took a very light amount, and of course, like always, start with a very little amount in any makeup product and then gradually build it up. But I think this one, for me, for now at least, it doesn't really need any build up. It looks so pretty. It's giving me that very nice natural looking flush of color. And I think this brush is also really great to apply blush because it's like dense but not super dense, and it doesn't like, you know, flat out like this, if you know what I mean. So you're able to concentrate the product in just your like blush area. Like a little bit of blush on my nose as well. I think it's super cute. Now for the highlighter, I'm going to be using the Contour de Force mini highlighter in the shade 02 Gold Glory. Swatching it. Oh, look at that shine. Again, I'm gonna dip my brush into the product, dust off the excess, and apply it on my cheekbones. I think it's looking very nice. I mean, it's not very, you know, glittery that it might, you know, enhance any texture of your skin, but it gives the perfect shine as well. I'm gonna go over the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. Cross a little bit on my cupid's bow and a little bit on my chin. It's giving a really nice and natural kind of a glow. I think it doesn't look like a lot of glitter, and it gives you that wet glossy effect as well, which is why I am loving it. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm just gonna go back to the blush. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, take a little bit of the blush, tap off the excess, and build the blush color in my crease just a little bit. You'll see, just wait for the product that's coming next. This blush shade really has a great blendability, you know. So you saw how quickly it blended into my crease as well. I had just applied a little bit of concealer to prep my eyelids, by the way. Alright, now that it's nicely blended into my crease, just a little bit, I didn't want a lot of it. Just wait to see the next product that I have. Next up, we have the I Love Jelly Eyeshadow in the shade 01 Champagne Charm. It comes in this very cute bottle, and look at this jelly shadow. It looks so tempting. I cannot wait to put it on my eyelids. Let's do a little bit of a swatch party. Okay, I'm just taking a very tiny amount of it. Already loving the glow. Now Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm just gonna try blending it out. Dude, this just keeps getting better and better. Since it's the jelly formulation, it's super easy to blend. Plus, there's gonna be no fallout at all. And it's not like it has that wet kind of formulation, it's gonna stay that way. It has already dried, as you can see, it's not moving around and not too much transfer on my hand as well. So I am actually gonna go ahead again, dip my finger in it just a little bit and tap it over my eyelid. Okay, that looks pretty. Let's go back in and see if I'm able to build over it. Okay, this looks really good. Now I'm gonna go back in with the blush color, take a little bit and just make sure that there are no harsh edges. So before I go ahead and do the same on the other eye, I just thought I'll just finish the entire eye makeup. Next up, I've got the Gloss Boss 24-hour eyeliner in Back in Black. And I'm just gonna quickly do a tiny little wing. Oh, I like that this tip is like super sturdy but very pointed at the same time. Just gonna draw out a little bit of a wing. Eyeliner is really nice. If you saw that tip, it's like it doesn't bend too much at all, which makes it very easy to maneuver, and I think which is why it is great for beginners. So as you can see, it has got a little bit of shine, but for the most part it does look matte, and I was able to get this very sharp wing with it, which is amazing. Okay, so now for my mascara, I'm going in with the Uptown Girl Lengthening Mascara in Black Beauty 01. Alright, so this is one coat of mascara and I think you can definitely see a difference. It has definitely done its job very well of lengthening it, and I think it has given it a slight curl as well. It won't give you the over-the-top falsies lashes wala effect, but if you're into subtle makeup looks and are looking for a mascara for everyday purposes, for your college or for your office, then I think this is a great one. Now let's try adding another coat and see how it looks. Now this is the second coat and wow, definitely looking a lot better than the previous one. I always like a lot of length to my lashes, if not volume or even curl. So I think this is looking really good. For the brows, I'm going to be using the Arch Arrival Micro Brow Pencil in Taupe. Comes with a spoolie on one end and the actual eyebrow pencil on the other. As for me, I really like to keep my eyebrows as natural as possible. I am pretty happy with the natural shape that they have, so I just like enhance it a little bit and give it an outline. So first I'm gonna use this spoolie to brush my hair up. First, I'm gonna just outline my brow like this. And then just gonna fill in the sparse areas. Remember to always use a very light hand when you're doing your brows, and especially when you're doing the inner portion of your brow. Okay, done. So as you saw, I didn't do a whole lot of filling in, but that's how I like to do it, and this pencil is just great for that because it gives you a very precise tip which allows you to draw those little tiny brow hair. And if you are like me who likes really natural brows as well, then I think you should go for this pencil, eyebrow pencil, definitely. Okay, so I have finished the other eye as well. Now moving on to the lips, I'm gonna be using the Tipsy Lips Moisturizing Balm in 01 Mojito. It's supposed to be super long lasting and nourishing, and it also has SPF in it. Okay, this is how it looks. What a pretty color, no? Okay, it smells very minty, of course, because it's the Mojito variant. This doesn't have any color or any tint of any sorts to it, which is great if you want to use it under lipsticks. And make sure you always use a lip balm before you're applying lipstick. It just helps with the removal of your lipstick better, and the color won't lodge into your lips in any way. And especially if you're going to be using matte lipsticks, which brings me to my lip color, the Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick by Sugar in the shade 09 Suave Mauve. This is the mini version, by the way. It's such a pretty color. Let's quickly swatch it as well. That's a pretty color. Looks kind of like the blush. As you know, Sugar is very popular for this Smudge Me Not lipstick because it is super matte, it doesn't budge at all, and is transfer proof completely. And I feel like matte lipstick, whatever trend comes and goes, matte lipstick is always gonna stay in style. I for one really love matte lipsticks, and don't worry, even if you have super dry lips, I think this moisturizer will do a great job in prepping your lips for this lipstick. Doesn't feel drying at all. I think it's definitely because of the lip balm. Now, not sticky at all, which is great. As you can see, there's no lip color transferred onto my hand, which means that it is transfer proof, and the shade really goes well together with today's makeup look that I have right here. Alright, so this is the finished makeup look. I really enjoyed using all of these makeup products by Sugar today and coming up with this makeup look. Let me know what you think of this look. I think this is the perfect soft glam makeup look for any wedding or any event or any other party. I really love all of the products that I mentioned today, but some of my top favorites definitely have to be the eyeliner, the mascara, the jelly eyeshadow, and the lipstick as well. These are my top 4 for sure. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Let me know what you think of this look, and let me know if you've used any of these products. If not, I'm gonna be mentioning all the links in the description. Make sure you check them out, and if you like anything, then do get it for yourself as well. And until next time, bye bye. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also like this video. Bye.